Welcome this video. Rustic gardening bed for beginning. Gardening is a reward hobby that provide fresh product, beautiful flower and a connect with nature. For beginning, rustic gardening bed often an excellent way to start growing plants with natural minimize challenge compared to traditional in quality roll decision and easy of man enters compared to traditional and group gardening. This gas well work throughout everything you need to about rustic gardening bed for select to plants for your front cup. Benefit of rustic gardening bed. Rustic gardening bed often serve advanced make theme an idea chose for beginning better salt quality with rustic gardening bed you have complement central over the salt comparing you can fit theme with high quality salt rich health plants growing easy of man enters gardening is lost with rustic gardening bed as theme reading the need for beginning and knife. This make them a great choice for people with middling income. Extend growing season. They salt in rustic gardening bed. Warm up fast fast in season allow you to plant in a seasoning some design allow for cover monthly extend the growing week and patrolling center. Rustic bed red and purple of week and some posts can then are elevate that smart animal plants for take over. Choose decision. Extend water allowing more affordable in rustic gardening bed. Water long and root lost. This is spent benefit in area with hum rainfall. Choose the right material. The material you select for your rustic gardening bed affording and solved. Here are some complex wood. Wood is a popular choice due to its affordable and natural appearance. Clumping and redwood are excellent as than and natural root rustic metal. Still bad are doubling and long lasting than are resident To water, consider and do not like wood. Plants and complex. Recycle and compact material are lightweight and resting than are a good alternate for those skilled long without the main entrance of wood. Select the right location. The right location is chosen for the success of your rustic gardening bed. Consider the follow functional sunlight. Most vegetable and flower request at later 6 to 4 hours, 8 hours for sunlight daily. Place or bed net or water secure and within easy search for main entrance. Low lasting area when water may accommodate productive post pause bed away for still wind or passing influencer. Build your rustic gardening bed. Conclusion: a rustic gardening bed is a still product for those stood determinant the size, a convenient size for rustic bed is 4 feet wide by 8 feet long with a height of 12-24 inch. It is not too wide, so you can easily raise the edge, cut and score the material into a regulation frame. Use screen or block to hold in the succulent together. Popular the gardening group clean the area for growing and week. You can place chairboard or landscape fiber at the base of product weak growing plants in a rustic gardening bed. Now that you rustic bed is ready, it's time to plants. Here how to gather start. Choose the right plants. For beginning, start with easy to growing crop like tomato, lettuce, and herb. Thank you for watching this amazing video.